The BN-Link 6-outlet wall tap with 3 USB charging ports and nightlight is simple and easy to use. The wall tap has 6 US grounded outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port, as well as a built-in nightlight and a phone holder. The nightlight features a sensor that can detect darkness. The switch on the right side can be switched to off to keep the nightlight off, or auto for the nightlight to come on when darkness is detected. Do not use in outlets that are not grounded, and use only with a 125-volt AC power source. Do not exceed 1,875 watts or 15 amps. Do not use outdoors or anywhere the device could get wet. For further information, check out the included guide. Thanks for choosing BN-Link.